Industrial challenges are becoming more complex. Energy efficiency, decarbonization, reliability, all at the same time. Having the right equipment is no longer enough. Every industry is different. Every process has its own constraints. Today, performance is no longer about a single product. It's about understanding your industry and designing solutions around your process. At Carrier, we deliver one integrated industrial solution: cooling, heating, air treatment, energy and steam, engineered as one system, fully integrated from equipment to system management across your entire site. This integrated approach helps you reduce energy consumption, lower your carbon footprint and optimize both CapEx and OpEx. From high-efficiency chillers and heat pumps to low-GWP refrigerants and smart energy management, we support your path to net zero without compromising operational performance. From the early design stages, through implementation, optimization and long-term operation, Carrier is your single partner across the entire life cycle. One stop, one solution, one responsible approach. But real performance goes beyond systems once they're up and running.
With advanced controls, digital connectivity and BlueEdge service agreements, we ensure your operations stay efficient, connected and intelligently managed.
On the ground, our Carrier experts ensure continuity through predictive insights, proactive upgrades, temporary HVAC solutions, certified spare parts and expert support, all designed to maximize uptime and reduce risk. Because in industry, every minute counts.
At Carrier, we deliver more than a portfolio of technologies. We bring together our people, our expertise and our solutions to deliver one integrated industrial solution.
Designed for your industry, engineered for real operational performance, built for today, ready for what comes next.
Carrier, one integrated industrial solution.